Why, hello, people. I'm nervous to be eliminated.
I hope you don't get eliminated. You had a long day before and now you are UFE.
Ho ho holy crud, we lost.
It was your fault, man.
I knew you're a ho ho horrible person. Take out.
Time for the elimination.
Did you just kill her? Oh 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 oh. And why is the sky yellow? Oh 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 oh.
Don't worry about it. Let's see the votes. We got 10 votes. Thanks to everyone who voted. Whoever got the least votes will be in deep trouble.
Oh no ho ho ho, I'm scared.
Don't worry, Starman. You got the most votes with 4.
And for saying Fruitball is safe with 3 votes. It's down to you two. Take out a watermelon. Whichever one of you got the least votes will be eliminated. And the results are... Takeout is the last one, saved with 2 votes. Watermelon is out with 1 vote.
Oh no! That means I'm out! Oh no. I can't make it dark anymore, and I can't say oh anymore. This is so dark.
Guys, that dino seems really weird.
But I thought dinosaurs were in the Jurassic Age. They're supposed to be dead, you know?
But it has so much powers. They can bring people back and fly.
But what if they had super hearing and super duper duper hearing and they can make the world go black?
Time for the next challenge.
I'm concerned. What is the next challenge?
Yeah, dinosaur, what is it?
The second challenge is an obstacle course. Once again, last place will get their team up for elimination.
You know we have to work together, right?
Hey, let's get going!
Go. I'm going!
I'm gonna break the bridge! I gotta go!
What the heck?
Oh, my team, let's go!
What the?
Aw, we just missed him.
But Team Green lost. So you have to vote to save green flag, soccer ball, ice cream, or strawberry. Whoever gets the least votes will be eliminated. Voting ends in 3 days. See ya!
Why? 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 Out of all people, why watermelon? It could have been me. He just wanted to make the screen dark.
No ho ho.
Huh?
Do you think Takeout is a ho ho horrible person?
Yes.
Bestie Alliance?
Sure, why not?